if I never knew? What if I never found you? I've never had this feeling in my heart. How did it come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I'd give my love to have it all. And as far as I can see, we were always meant to be, my destiny.